Well, welcome to Earth Science, everybody. Let's get ready for the test. Test is going to be Friday. And whether you're in school right now or at home, you can do all of this review stuff. I think we're in pretty good shape for the test, and it'd be great for our grades if we can nail this thing. So what I did was I broke it down into, it's one big review sheet with all the big ideas we did this unit. Okay. I'm going to do it in 5 separate videos though, so that it's not one big overwhelming thing. I do really recommend that if you're going to do one section, you do the whole thing. So if it's towards the end of class or if you need to take a little break, then do that, because focusing in on these 5 little bits will be what gets us there for this test. And again, nailing this test could be really great for getting our grades up. I don't know what your status is individually for labs. I've got anywhere between 0 and 7 for some of you folks. But nailing this will really be good news for our grades, and it's very nailable. The last test we did at the end of first marking period was difficult. This one is towards the easier end of it, but towards the easier end of it if we prep a little bit for it. There's a couple of nitpicky little things that I will be sure to point out in each one of these. And I'll specifically mention the rate of change ones. You've seen those problems, but I've been a little bit concerned about we're all doing them slightly different ways. So I'm going to make a deal where I'm going to say, here's exactly what this should look like. And it's going to be 10 points of the test will be just a rate of change problem. I'll show you what each of the 10 points will be. So if you can nail that, get some of this other stuff, you're going to be in good shape. Okay, so here's how this survival guide works. Open up the review sheet. That'll get you to this thing. Big, scary, long-looking review sheet. But again, we'll do it in sections. There will be one video for each of those 5s. As I fill them, I'll paste the links in there. And once you're done with all of those, please don't just go ahead, but once you're done with all those, we'll do review classworks. That will be Regents questions that will be basically fair game, following exactly what I did in the review sheets and predicting exactly what will be on the test. Really with the goal of being that when you walk in Friday, no surprises, you know exactly what you should be facing. All right. Please keep the audio on for all of it. There may be things I mention. I know that there's a habit of like listening to music and only writing the things that I write on the screen. It's not a great idea in general. Definitely not a great idea as we get ready for the test. All right. If it's early in the morning on Wednesday and you're doing this, I'll be doing this probably as you guys start class. So get going on the videos, and then you'll see these links pop up as I finish them up. All right, everybody. Good luck. We'll see you soon. Oh, and I know that there's a field trip Thursday, so there's a chance I'm not seeing some of you tomorrow. This is still all going to be due, and we're still doing the test on Friday. So focus on this first, and then if you got labs to finish, we'll do that after. But this really should be the priority before we get to Friday, whether that means in school or at home. Get it all done. Be ready for Friday. You can do this. All right. Good luck, everybody.